同陳慶勇，而左手邊嘅係助理救護總長新界西林卓豪。我哋先請陳 Sir 講幾句。
各位傳媒朋友，大家好。跟住落嚟，我會同大家交代我哋現時最新嘅滅火同埋救援嘅情況。咁現時為止呢，其實我哋滅火嘅行動呢已經大致完成㗎啦。咁我哋而家對個別有4個單位呢仍然進行緊滅火。與此同時呢，我哋亦都為火場嘅其他單位呢進行一個灑水降溫嘅行動，去避免死灰復燃。跟住之後呢，我就會全力去繼續我哋嘅救援行動。行動係會包括對餘下落嚟嘅25個求助個案進行處理，同埋我哋會就住今次受火警影響嘅7棟大廈所有被困嘅人士。呢個行動我哋預計會喺明朝早上9點鐘完成。接住落嚟，我會交俾我哋救護會同事去講下我哋傷者嘅情況。
各位傳媒朋友，大家好。消防處喺今次嘅事件裏面，共調派咗177架救護車前往現場協助救援。我哋而家已經處理咗155名傷者，當中有79名傷者於現場證實死亡，另外76名傷者被送往醫院繼續接受治療。消防處喺今次事件中有11名同事受傷，佢哋而家嘅情況全部穩定。另外非常不幸，我哋有一位消防隊員喺意外中英勇殉職。我嘅報告係咁多。
好，而家係傳媒答問嘅環節，請想發問嘅傳媒先舉手，講出。
Friends from the media, I will now recap in English. Our firefighting operation is almost complete. Despite that, we are still carrying out firefighting operation to 4 individual units, and damping down to various units of the 7 blocks are still in progress. So as to prevent the debris and embers from flaring up. What's next is the search and rescue operation. We will conduct search and operation to the remaining 25 assistant corps, and at the same time, we will endeavor to effect forcible entry to all the units of the 7 blocks concerned, so as to ensure that there are no other possible casualties. And I will hand over the time to our ambulance officer to give you a brief on the casualties.
而家傳媒答問嘅環節。
During the operation, FSD has deployed 177 ambulances responding to scene. Till now, we have already handled 155 casualties. Among them, 79 casualties were confirmed fatalities at scene. We have sent all the rest of the casualties to hospital. During the firefighting operation, we have 11 fire personnel injured. They are now all in stable condition. However, unfortunately, we have 1 fire personnel confirmed died in the fire operation. Thank you for your attention.
請傳媒機構舉手，講出係代表傳媒機構，然後發問最多2條問題。
你好，商業電台。首先想問下，啱啱話而家會仲有嘅25個求助個案要進行啦。呢25個個案集中喺邊幾座大廈呢？同埋係乜嘢位置呢？另外就係而家咁多個死者裏面啦，其實死者佢哋有冇話集中喺邊一個大廈、咩地方比較多呢？生還者又係集中喺邊啲大廈同埋邊啲地方比較多呢？ 咁另外啦，火場嘅環境其實而家入面環境係點樣呢？係咪嚴重？好多地方嚴重被燒焦呢？之前調查就話咧，外牆安裝嘅保護網、防水帆布、塑膠布等等都懷疑未符合防火標準啦。即係消防喺入面其實見唔見到呢一啲情況係即係特別嚴重啦？又或者呢一啲物料係真係有助燃嘅呢？最後就係想問下咧，而家個火勢啦，即係預計就聽朝9點完成所有爆破同救援啦。咁個火勢係咪今晚會係完全熄晒呢？下階段嘅工作會係點樣呢？幾時居民係可以入去揾到家當呢？唔該你。
就住你嗰幾條問題啦，咁我首先答咗啲死傷者咧，其實主要咧係喺呢個宏昌閣同埋宏泰閣裏面揾到嘅，因為呢兩座大廈咧，其實佢個火勢咧都係比較猛烈嘅。咁另外係如果你話係一啲生還者咧，其實喺唔同嘅大廈裏面咧，我哋都曾經係揾到生還者嘅。至於喺嗰啲發泡膠啊等等嘅物料咧，喺我哋滅火嘅同埋救援嘅過程裏面咧，我哋都有發現其他大廈裏面咧都有呢啲咁嘅物料。咁至於呢啲物料對個火勢造成啲乜嘢影響咧，我哋會稍後完成晒我哋一個滅火同埋救援嘅過程之後咧，我哋會成立一個火警嘅調查小組去睇睇呢個情況嘅。下階段工作咧，我哋完成晒滅火救援程序之後咧，咁我哋分別會好似我頭先咁講啦，進行火警嘅成因嘅調查啦。與此同時咧，我哋亦都會對一啲消防系統啦，佢係咪有效操作咧，進行一個調查嘅。冇問題。
火今晚係咪會熄到啊？同埋就係預計幾時居民會解封到，可以入到翻自己屋企咧？
個火警方面咧，我哋預計咧今晚係可以完全熄滅㗎啦。咁我哋都會繼續灑水去降溫啦。咁至於幾時可以將成個環境咧交翻俾啲居民咧，呢個要稍後我哋做火警調查同埋一啲對於消防系統嘅調查完成之後咧，先至可以答到大家。我哋預計係今晚可以完成嗰個滅火嘅程序嘅。咁我哋好似記者朋友所講啦，咁我哋都見到有個別嘅單位火光紅紅。咁但係咧，其實我哋都已經我哋嘅消防喉咧已經係開到去嗰啲單位度㗎啦。咁所以我哋都有信心咧，今晚可以完成嘅。至於點解話會比預計嘅時間需要耐咧，就係其實一啲因為個火場面積實在太大啦，大家都可以見到啦，又牽涉到7座大廈同埋係整棟大廈嘅。咁好多地方咧係我哋做完之後咧，佢都有一啲翻燒嘅情況啊，我哋需要翻手去再做。咁所以我哋而家其實都部署咗一啲同事喺大廈嘅唔同地方，我哋就進行一個灑水去降溫。咁之前咧，因為實在太多地方咧個火勢猛烈咧，我哋做唔到呢一個工作啊。咁而家我哋有一啲人手咧可以做到，咁我哋相信咧可以有效咁防止佢再死灰復燃嘅。
Good evening. Just some English questions from the South China Morning Post. With regards to the remaining 25 cases that still remain to be rescued, could you talk a little bit about if the Fire Services Department is still in touch with them, whether they know where they are and what their current condition is like, if you can reveal that. And also, secondly, about the fire itself, because you said the fire is expected to be extinguished tonight. What is the reason in the fire taking so long to be extinguished? What are the sort of main challenges and difficulties in achieving that? Thank you.
For the remaining 25 assistant calls, we actually out of the 25, 3 calls received it recently, hours before. So we will conduct our search and rescue operation to the 3 assistant cook first, and then handle the remaining 22. And for the firefighting operation, we encounter particular difficulties in several areas, like the fire was spreading exceptionally fast, exceptionally rapid. So as you can see, the fire spread quickly to all the 7 blocks of the estate. And secondly, we receive a lot of assistance calls. So we have to deploy our crews to handle the assistance calls at the same time. Besides, debris and scaffolding were falling from upper floors, making our access to the affected buildings very difficult. And there are also other reasons like high temperature, darkness, and also there is another reason is the emergency vehicle access was blocked by the fallen scaffolding and debris, so making our access to the affected building very difficult, particularly our turntable ladder and hydraulic platform.
仲有兩條問題。
兩位好，港台就想問翻清楚咧，而家消防嗰個救援嗰個消防喉咧，係咪已經可以進攻去到所有嘅單位嗰度啦？第二個問題就關於死傷人數，如果計埋即係喺現場即係證實死亡同埋送院之後不治嗰個死亡人數係幾多咧？頭先就提到嗰個25個求助個案啦，咁失聯嘅人數其實總共失聯人數方面係幾多咧？
我首先答咗嗰個我嘅先啦。咁而家嗰4個仍然喺度進行滅火嘅單位咧，咁我哋消防已經全部都係開到嗰4個單位㗎啦。咁所以我哋之前話有信心可以今晚完成嗰個滅火行動咁解。咁至於傷者嘅情況咧，咁我交咗救護同事。
正如啱啱提到啦，我哋喺現場有79名傷者係救咗出嚟之後喺現場證實死亡。另外，根據我哋嘅資料咧，暫時係有4名傷者送咗院之後都係證實不治嘅。
失蹤嘅人數方面咧，咁我哋會稍後有一個統計，我哋都要完成晒個整個救援嘅行動先可以做呢啲統計。
單位啦，入邊嘅單位裏邊係有冇人係曾經向消防去求助咧？其實入邊仲有冇人呢？同埋嗰25個求助單位其實係分佈喺邊幾座嘅大廈啦，同埋入邊嘅人質情況係點樣？有冇已經嗰25個單位係咪都已經同咗消防聯絡呢？唔該。
我哋餘下嗰25個求助個案咧，有啲都係喺頭先我所講啦。宏昌同埋宏泰閣嘅較高層嘅位置嘅，咁你而家我哋嘅火警嘅其中有個單位咧，都係喺嗰啲位置嘅，咁我哋所以而家都全力撲救緊個火警。
想問翻啦，就係頭先見到仲有25個嘅嗰個求助度，係咪已經聯絡到嗰25個單位嘅人士？同埋點解即係到而家都仲未可能救到呢25個求助嘅人士咧？係咪滅火嘅環境比較差？第二條都想問翻，頭先行家都有問過嘅就係其實頭先都見到有好多傳媒都講過嗰啲物料，即係會唔會係邊啲物料會妨礙到嘅救火嘅行動咧？即係包括係而家見到嘅綠色嗰啲遺物，會唔會都係其中一個比較助燃劑，令到整個嘅救火行動都有困難咧？唔該。
就住嗰25個個案啦，因為佢係喺大廈嘅較高層位置啦，有部分，咁所以嗰啲部分咧，其實就喺開段嘅時間咧，其實都係有個火警喺嗰度發生緊嘅，同埋一啲較低嘅樓層都有，咁所以我哋都要逐層咁樣攻上去咧，先至可以處理到嗰啲個案嘅。咁至於你話嗰啲物料係咪對我哋火警嘅救援造成一啲阻礙呢？即係你話如果係個行動上嘅阻礙就冇嘅，但係我哋而家初步睇個火警蔓延得咁快呢，都好有可能係同呢啲物料有關。 但係咪實際咧？我係咁嘅情況咧，都要留待我哋嘅火警調查嘅同事咧去做一個調查先至可以確定。
調查要幾耐啊？會2個星期？
好，唔該晒咁多位，唔該晒陳 Sir，唔該晒林 Sir，好有請，唔該晒，唔該晒。